Reactions which have now come in from the Pakistani side. Listen to these. These are eyewitness accounts. We're going to compile them and show them to you.
आज 5 से 20 मिनट पहले तकरीबन मैक्सिमम 10 से 15 गोलों की आवाज़ आई है जो शदीद हमें दिखाई भी दिए कि ऊपर से जलते हुए नजर आए, लेकिन एग्जैक्ट ये नहीं पता चला कि शहर की किस जगह पे लगे। तो अलबत्ता आवाज़ बहुत आई है, बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ आई है, पूरा सिटी जो है वो डर गया है। तो देखते हैं आगे क्या होगा।
गोलों की आवाज़ आ रहे हैं, बस आगे निकल रहे हैं, देखते हैं फिर गोलों की आवाज़ आ रहे हैं आगे से।
Those were eyewitness accounts who saw what happened in the aftermath of Operation Sindoor. Again, these are measured and calculated strikes. And just to put a little perspective to what our correspondent Idris Sloan was sharing earlier, because he's based very close to the border with Pakistan, and he mentioned that he heard jets scrambling over him for almost about 45 minutes. Now, the exact timeline of Operation Sindoor, we'll need to wait for the Indian Armed Forces. We're just trying to put together what we are picking up from our own sources, from our own reporter, and from people that we have heard and spoken to in Srinagar. Now, for about 45 minutes, we heard jets scrambling over that airspace. And this is around the same time, sometime before, this is around 1 a.m. those jets were being heard for about 40 to 45 minutes. 1:44 a.m. is when the official statement came out from the Indian Armed Forces confirming Operation Sindoor and saying justice has been served, which is exactly what India has done. And these are non-escalatory strikes, viewers, which we have been tracking closely for you right here at WION as we are live, saying that these is exactly what India has said. These are not strikes on Pakistan's military facilities. India does not target military facilities. India definitely does not target civilians, unlike our rogue neighbor. But at this point, what India has done is that India has carried out responsible and measured strikes, and what eyewitnesses and what sources have picked up that for about 45 minutes, those jets were heard. So this operation somewhere would have taken anywhere close to about 45 minutes to an hour max. And that exact timeline, we will need to wait for the Indian Armed Forces to tell us exactly what our brave soldiers did on the front line.